Now, defense in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has accused the state's ballistics expert Chris Mangena of going out of his way to try and nail accused No.3 Mthobisi Mncube. Mangena has been facing cross-examination over the tests he conducted on the firearm allegedly recovered from accused No.3 and the bullet found at the scene. 5 men are on trial for the 2014 murder of the soccer star. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi following that story and filed this report.
In his tests, Chris Mangena, the ballistics expert in the murder case of soccer star Senzo Meyiwa, fired 8 bullets and switched from the full metal jackets to the complete metal jacket bullets when the old barrel of the pistol allegedly recovered from accused No.3 Mthobisi Mncube did not transfer clearer marks on the test bullet. He then compared the test bullet with the one recovered from the crime scene under a microscope and found there was a match. But Mthobisi Mncube's lawyer says he went out of his way to nail his client.
In your own version, when you said there was no proper transferability or reproducibility of the striations, nonetheless you went on to find that the bullet that was found at the scene does accord and compare with the bullets which you have fired. And the reason why you did that is because you wanted to nail Mr. Mncube. As the state told you that he's the person who had a firearm on that day in question.
But Mangena dug his heels.
The bullet that was found from the crime scene is positively linked to this firearm. I have no doubt in that one. And I proved that I put my court charts there, which shows enough marks that were transferred by the firearm to those bullets.
The contestation of methods, expertise and experience rages on in the trial as the defense's expert believes the marks used to identify whether the bullet is a match or not are insufficient to make for a positive match, making his findings inconclusive. The defense believes Mangena deviated from a quantitative method of identifying matching patterns called the CMS.
Further to the teachings of Bruce Moran and John Murdoch, which for a moment I thought you understood them, and I will be excused if you did not understand them, in terms of the consecutivity of the calculations of the striations. Because you wanted a result, you went against their teachings and found that the bullet that was sent to you as a scene bullet does match those bullets which you fired as test bullet from the alleged firearms. From this alleged firearm, not arms.
I've put my code chart here on the screen with 6 marks. 6 striation marks that appears on both the exhibits and the test. And I've marked only 6 of them because according to the CMS, you need only 6 marks to make it positive, or 2 sets of 3.
The defense believes the results are subjective and that subjectivity is based on experience. Mangena is adamant that it is a match, a conclusion that he says was also reached by 4 of his peers. Cross-examination continues on Wednesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.